Health, fitness, and exercise are essential to the sporting and life performance of humans. Fitness includes cardiovascular functioning, which is improved by aerobic activities that get your heart and lungs working faster. It also includes muscle strength, flexibility, and balance. Physical fitness is made up of 11 parts, 6 of them health-related and 5 skill-related. All of the parts are important to good performance in physical activity, including sports. So in this video, we're going to discuss fitness and what it means for your health. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The exercise involves engaging in physical activity and increasing the heart rate beyond resting levels. It's an important part of preserving physical and mental health. Most people tend to focus on one type of exercise or activity and think they're doing enough. Research has shown that it's important to get all 4 types of exercise: endurance, strength, balance, and flexibility. Each one has different benefits. Most people believe being healthy and being fit are one and the same. In reality, they can be separate states of physical beings. You can be really fit and not very healthy, and you can be very healthy and not very fit. The best benefits are found with trying to get a balance out of both sides. This requires us to identify the difference between fitness and health. Regular exercise can have a profoundly positive impact on depression, anxiety, and ADHD. It also relieves stress, improves memory, helps you sleep better, and boosts your overall mood. And you don't have to be a fitness fanatic to reap the benefits. Exercise is not just about aerobic capacity and muscle size. Sure, exercise can improve your physical health and your physique, trim your waistline, improve your sex life, and even add years to your life. But that's not what motivates most people to stay active. Running is an excellent form of physical activity, but being a runner doesn't guarantee fitness in all parts of health-related physical fitness. As a runner, you may be more fit in some parts of fitness than in others. There's an increasing number of people who work in jobs which don't require much physical activity. These jobs are described as non-physical or sedentary and means the level of fitness required to do them is low. This can lead to more people having low levels of fitness and decreasing health levels in society. This would lead to more people having a low level of fitness in society and health levels would decrease. A recent study done by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health found that running for 15 minutes a day or walking for an hour reduces the risk of major depression by 26%. In addition to relieving depression symptoms, research also shows that maintaining an exercise schedule can prevent you from relapsing. Exercise is a powerful depression fighter for several reasons. Most importantly, it promotes all kinds of changes in the brain, including neural growth, reduced inflammation, and new activity patterns that promote feelings of calm and well-being. It also releases endorphins, powerful chemicals in your brain that energize your spirits and make you feel good. Exercise can also serve as a distraction, allowing you to find some quiet time to break out of the cycle of negative thoughts that feed depression. Endurance activities, often referred to as aerobic, increase your breathing and heart rates. These activities help keep you healthy, improve your fitness, and help you perform the tasks you need to do every day. Endurance exercises improve the health of your heart, lungs, and circulatory system. They also can delay or prevent many diseases that are common in older adults, such as diabetes, colon and breast cancers, heart disease, and others. The aerobic exercise aims to improve how the body uses oxygen. Most aerobic exercise takes place at average levels of intensity over longer periods. An aerobic exercise session involves warming up, exercising for at least 20 minutes, and then cooling down. Aerobic exercise mostly uses large muscle groups, increase your endurance or staying power to help keep up with your grandchildren during a trip to the park, dance to your favorite songs at a family wedding, and rake the yard and bag up leaves. Build up to at least 150 minutes of activity a week that makes you breathe hard. Try to be active throughout your day to reach this goal and avoid sitting for long periods of time. Exercise is a natural and effective anti-anxiety treatment. It relieves tension and stress, boosts physical and mental energy, and enhances well-being through the release of endorphins. Anything that gets you moving can help, but you'll get a bigger benefit if you pay attention instead of zoning out. Trying to notice the sensation of your feet hitting the ground, for example, or the rhythm of your breathing, or the feeling of the wind on your skin. By adding this mindfulness element, really focusing on your body and how it feels as you exercise, you'll not only improve your physical condition faster, but also may be able to interrupt the flow of constant worries running through your head. Another exercise that is called anaerobic exercise doesn't use oxygen for energy. People use this type of exercise to build power, strength, and muscle mass. These exercises are high-intensity activities that should last no longer than around 2 minutes. Your muscular strength can make a big difference. Strong muscles help you stay independent and make everyday activities feel easier, like getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, and carrying groceries. Keeping your muscles strong can help with your balance and prevents falls and fall-related injuries. You're less likely to fall when your leg and hip muscles are strong. Some people call using weight to improve your muscle strength training or resistance training. Some people choose to use weights to help improve their strength. If you do, start by using light weights at first, then gradually adding more. Other people use resistance bands, stretchy elastic bands that come in varying strengths. If you're a beginner, try exercising without the band or use a light band until you're comfortable. Add a band or move on to a stronger band or more weight when you can do 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions easily. Try to do strength exercises for all of your major muscle groups at least 2 days per week, but don't exercise the same muscle group on any 2 days in a row. While all exercise benefits the heart and lungs, anaerobic exercise provides fewer benefits for cardiovascular health than aerobic exercise and uses fewer calories. However, it's more effective than aerobic exercise for building muscle and improving strength. Increasing muscle mass causes the body to burn more fat even when resting. Muscle is the most efficient tissue for burning fat in the body. Ever notice how your body feels when you're under stress? Your muscles may be tense, especially in your face, neck, and shoulders, leaving you with back or neck pain or painful headaches. You may feel a tightness in your chest, a pounding pulse, or muscle cramps. You may also experience problems such as insomnia, heartburn, stomachache, diarrhea, and frequent urination. The worry and discomfort of all these physical symptoms can in turn lead to even more stress, creating a vicious cycle between your mind and body. Exercising is an effective way to break the cycle, as well as releasing endorphins in the brain. Physical activity helps to relax the muscles and relieve tension in the body. Since the body and mind are so closely linked, when your body feels better, so too will your mind. Some exercises combine stretching, muscle conditioning, and balance training. A popular and effective example is yoga. Yoga movements improve balance, flexibility, posture, and circulation. The practice originated in India thousands of years ago and aims to unify the mind, body, and spirit. Modern yoga uses a combination of meditation, posture, and breathing exercises to achieve the same goals. Stretching can improve your flexibility. Moving more freely will make it easier for you to reach down to tie your shoes or looking over your shoulder when you back your car out of the driveway. A person looking to manage arthritis might need gentle stretches to improve mobility and function. Someone with depression, on the other hand, may need more emphasis on the relaxation and deep breathing elements of yoga. You don't have to spend hours in a gym or force yourself into long, monotonous workouts to experience the many benefits of exercise. You can keep it relatively simple. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back with you with another video. Until then, stay safe and be happy.